Hey guys, so I don't know what day into this quarantine thing we're at, but this is the same Supra from the other day. We finished up the Meth kit install on it, and I'm gonna make some dyno hits on it to see where we're at as a baseline. Typically, from going from stock turbo to the pure, we gained 50 wheel horsepower right off the rip with almost no tune changes. You have to make tune changes so it doesn't overboost and consistently close throttle. But other than that, for like a dyno hit, no real changes. It will make 500 wheel almost all day, every day. Also, we have E92 M3 behind me. Got Mock Shell exhaust installed, and it's about to get tuned. We have this E30 getting buttoned up. So, it was done by another shop previously. They did a bunch of things like nice. The bay is like really nice and cleanly painted, but everything else is just really not good. No functioning check engine light bulb, no functioning coolant temp gauge. They wired the bare minimum to get the car to start and run. It had a variety of issues, and then we're just going through everything, trying to make it better. We pinned in the check engine light, checked a bunch of things. It keeps throwing TPS codes, car's OBD1. Rather than throwing parts at it, we actually tried a few things, but rather than digging deeper and deeper, we explained to customers we'd rather put an OBD2 conversion on the car and go from there. So we're doing the OBD2 conversion right now, and then we're gonna dyno that at some point. Probably won't be in this video, probably be in the future, but it's made about upper 280 wheels so far. It's got an S52 VF kit, so in the future we'll go ahead, re-dyno that with the OBD2 swap, make sure it runs drive perfect so the customer can finally enjoy that car. So back to this for right now. I'll give you some dyno rips. This A90 Supra with a pure turbo and the Meth injection kit. So right off the rip, no tune changes off our pump gas tune. Car made 521 wheel horsepower, 504 wheel horsepower the next hit. So these cars, this car is not dyno, whatever, it didn't hit our off-the-shelf tune. These cars normally make 500, like 450 wheel on pump gas with this turbo, with a stock turbo, and now with this turbo we're at 500 wheel, 520 wheel, so 50 wheel horsepower from a turbo swap. So next up I'm going to turn the boost up, see what we can get out of it. I'm not sure if I said this already. Car's on, pump gas, Meth injection, just flash it, turn the boost up a little bit, and make some more hits. So car, so far at best on pump Meth made 600 wheel horsepower, but consistently it's making 567, 557. So pretty consistent car. Like last two hits were 567, 557. I feel like it's spinning a little bit to be honest, so I'm gonna put some more weight in the trunk, or I'm actually probably gonna readjust my strap first, loosen the front, tense down the rear, re-tighten down the front, and then see if we can make more. I think it should make 600-ish at this power, or close, a little bit more than the 567 range. So we're gonna see what this does, restrapping it. So after restrapping the car makes 582 wheel horsepower and 576 wheel horsepower. So 10, 20 horsepower from retrapping. We're gonna put more weight in the trunk, see if that helps even more. So that's it, no change. 575 wheel horsepower, 585 wheel horsepower, on average the last few hits. One glory hit a 600 wheel, but we'll call it 585 to be realistic. Because every hit's 575, 585. That's it for this car. I'm gonna go take it out on the street and do some rips. All right guys, so we're gonna take this thing out, go for a little rip in it, see what it feels like. I've driven a bunch of these at all sorts of power levels, all sorts of turbo kits, stock turbo, the small turbo with the Boost Logic kit, the 6870 Boost Logic kit. But I'm sort of excited to see what this feels like. It's been a long time since I've actually driven a really well sorted pure car, so let's see. So, feels pretty wild. The instant torque is just there. So that I love. There's one thing about the pure turbos, bang for your buck, there's no comparison. You want higher power than 650, 700 wheel in the future, you go with a bigger kit, like a Boost Logic kit, or, I mean, there's a lot of kits in the market right now. I have a ton of experience with a Boost Logic kit. I have no complaints. Sorry, I was like super dark. So there's a lot of different options, obviously, why turbo wise and stuff. And I personally, though, I like the Boost Logic kit. It's pretty great. And someone pulled that in front of me. Oh, I gotta be in not manual mode if I want to shift it myself. Let's see what this is. Just spins a lot, but now it's moving. So it's pretty quick. It's like really good. I wish this car had a tire on it so it really just like roll onto it from a dead stop, give it a good hit. I'll try it anyway, but I bet it's gonna spin crazy. No. Let me pull over for a second. So literally any brake and gas combo, it instantly does a burnout. I'm all about burnouts, but not when I'm trying to go fast. So I'm gonna roll on it again, see if you guys get a good vision of this. The car's moving, feels amazing. I love it. This is great. I short shift a little bit because I'm out of room, but I mean, it rose 3 gears. That's through 6th gear. Short shifting, obviously, but I mean, no limp mode. It's like a really happy place to be. Around 600 wheel horsepower, pure turbo Supra. So if you like what you see, subscribe, give me a thumbs up. I appreciate you watching me. Thank you. You're special.